Hey guys, it's Diane and Mary. I want to tell you about a new kit from Wanda Beauty that just launched, and this is the No Days Off collection featuring trial sizes of 3 of the brand new products, 2 skincare, 1 hair care, and it is amazing. If you follow me on Instagram, number 1, thank you. You might have saw that Wanda Beauty invited me to the launch event last week in Manhattan. Thank you so much, Wanda. We went to a fitness class. It was called 305 Fitness. It had dance cardio with a live DJ. It was really fun. I was actually really nervous to go because I'm used to working out in my basement by myself without any other human beings around, and I stepped out of my comfort zone, but I had a really good time, and I'm proud of myself for kept up with everyone in the class. Got a really great swag bag there. It came with this tote, gorgeous on the go from Wanda, that's really nice, that I will be reusing. Came with a tank top we have over here, Wanda and Hustle, gold lettering, really pretty. A super cute baseball hat that I'll be wearing in the summer when I wear baseball hats a lot. No Days Off with Wanda's logo. And also included my favorite hair vitamins by Hum. These are the Hum Hair Sweet Hair Gummy Vitamins. They are a vegan gummy. I've been using Hum vitamins actually since 2015. And I have been switching hair vitamins. You know, I like to test some others for a couple months, but I always go back to these because they're delicious and I do see results. If you're interested in Hum vitamins, by the way, I do have a discount on them. Code F9764 gets you $10 off. I'll be sure to put that below. I just dropped something, let me get it. So if you've never watched me before, my videos are one and done, completely unedited. It's real, it's raw, it is what it is. Back to the No Days Off kit. So this is available for $38 on Wanda Beauty right now. So you get this beautiful clear makeup bag so you can see everything in it really quickly. Pink trim. It says No Days Off, and then the zipper on the other side, the zipper pull is the little Wanda Beauty logo. Then the 3 products inside, which let's get to them. So the first product is the Drift Away Cleanser, and this stuff is blowing my mind. I've been using this every single night since I received it. It is supposed to be a 2-in-1, like, you know, when you double cleanse at night, you do an oil cleanse and then a regular cleanse. This kind of condenses them into one step to save time. Airtight pump, smells amazing. It kind of smells like strawberries, but like not artificial or fake. Very natural, very uplifting, delicious. What impresses me about this is how well it removes all my makeup. Even my eye makeup, I wear a whole lot of mascara. I sometimes wear a waterproof top coat on top of my mascara so I don't tear or anything. It removes it effortlessly. And the thing about my eyeballs are that I do not wear contacts, but my eyes are really, really sensitive. Anything and everything burns them, turns them red, makes them feel like they're stinging. Not this. It's really great. Removes all the makeup off my face too, even if I don't use my Clarisonic with it, because I've used it with and without, and my skin just feels so soft and silky upon removal. And I haven't had any adverse reactions yet. It's been a week, but usually I could tell, although with skincare you generally like to give it a little more time, but really, really love it. And I look forward to seeing what continued use, like over the long term, what the results give. Such a pretty pink bottle too. So that is the cleanser, and this is Drift Away. Next we have the moisturizer, and this is called the Dive In Moisturizer. Another really pretty pink tube, and this just says on the sheet here, oh, I forgot, did I read it for the cleanser? The cleanser just says that kelp helps draw out impurities for brighter, smoother looking skin. Dive In Moisturizer. Pentavitamin provides up to 72 hours of hydration. This moisturizer feels incredible. It's very lightweight, but it's very moisturizing. There are ingredients inside that are really potent, so it doesn't feel greasy and it doesn't feel heavy. It kind of glides on the skin, and makeup goes over this so, so beautifully. I am obsessed. I'll show you a little on my hand, just a little. That's what it looks like. So even though it's lightweight, which my combination acne-prone skin is going to love in the summer, in the winter, like, it's cold and dry, but this is still enough moisture. Like, my skin doesn't feel dry after using it, which is good. Sometimes with other moisturizers, if they're not heavy enough in the winter, you know what, my skin feels tight. My skin does not feel tight with this. Absorbs instantly. Smells really fresh. Smells like roses. Absolutely love it. Last but not least, we have a little tiny size of a product you could see that I've been using in a week. I'm absolutely crazy about this. And this is the Extra Mileage Hair Refresher. There is panthenol inside to improve elasticity for healthier feeling hair. You know, when Wanda Beauty releases a product, they're not going to release something that's already out there. They're going to think outside the box, release something new and innovative, and that's definitely what this is. So this is Wanda's version of a dry shampoo, and it has silica powder in here, and silica powder helps you absorb any excess oil and grease. And what I like about this is that you use it on the hair and the scalp, and this is day 2 hair. I did use this today after my workout. I should have recorded it. I apologize, but I then went in with product to calm down my frizz too, just because, you know, my hair gets very unruly sometimes. But I like to use it on the scalp and on the hair, and I like that this is non-aerosol, but it's still a spray. You know, most dry shampoos are aerosol sprays. They're not super great for the environment. In my opinion, powdered dry shampoos are just too messy. So I like that this is just a regular spray that you just spray all over and works really, really well. And there's other really good ingredients for the hair in here as well, including there's castor oil in here, there's lavender oil in here, there's aloe in here. There is, oh, I know what that is and I can't really remember. It's the scientific name. Calendula officinalis flower. Is that chamomile? I forget. But I know I've seen that before and it's really good. There's rosemary leaf extract in here, so hair healthy ingredients. I'm all for it. This also smells delicious. I need the full size of this because I work out so much. Definitely have to. I need the full size of everything because I'm loving everything. But you guys, if you watch me, thank you. You know I get so excited about really great hair products. So yeah, if you want to pick it up, Wanda Beauty has the kit. You get the awesome makeup bag with it. And you know they're one of my favorite brands already. So I just get so excited when they release new stuff. So if you found this video helpful and you did like it, thumbs up, comment, subscribe. It would mean so much. I'm going to show you a demo with the dry shampoo. I'm going to, hopefully soon I'll pick up the big size and I'll show you like an after workout hair refreshing routine so you can see it in action. But I'll link it below if you want to check it out on the website too. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye.